Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived an ox, a goat, and a sheep. These three great friends did everything together. They grazed on grass, drank from the sparkling stream, and shared stories under the shade of the big, old oak tree. One day, they were faced with a problem bigger than anything they'd ever imagined. In the same woods bordering their meadow, there lived a lion. This lion was not like any other. He roamed majestically, with his mane flowing in the wind, and was known as Aslan the Kindhearted. Though kind, he was still a lion, and the mere thought of him sent shivers down the spines of the ox, the goat, and the sheep. One sunny afternoon, as they were munching on fresh clover, they heard a rustling in the bushes. Out stepped Aslan, his eyes warm but intimidating. The trio stood frozen, unsure of what to do. Aslan spoke, his voice gentle yet commanding. "I have been watching you, my dear meadow friends. I can see you live in peace and harmony. However, I have come today with a request." The ox, bravely stepping forward, asked, "What is it that you need from us, Aslan?" "I am in desperate need of your help," replied Aslan. "A terrible drought has struck the part of the forest where my family resides. The lush grasses have turned brown, and the once mighty riverbed is now dry. I ask of you, if I may, to graze with you for a short while." The goat and the sheep looked nervously at one another, but the ox nodded, understanding the predicament of standing helpless. "You may join us, Aslan. We have plenty, and no friend in need should be turned away." Gratefulness lit up Aslan's eyes. From that day forth, he shared the meadow with his new meadow friends, always ensuring to protect them from other dangers, just as they protected him from starvation. As seasons changed, the drought ended, and the forest flourished once more. Though Aslan returned to his family, he never forgot the kindness of the ox, the goat, and the sheep. Every full moon, he'd visit, bringing tales from the forest, creating an even stronger bond. The meadow friends learned that true strength lies not in how powerful you can be alone, but how fearless you can be when you have kindness in your heart, friends by your side, and bravery in your soul.